What is going on, friends? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is episode 9 of the Top Step Takeover series. And by the title of the video, you can see that we made 3,000 bucks on silver. First off, as I always do, let me go ahead and prove to you that this is actually true. So you can see my funded accounts on Top Step. You can see the entry and exit markers right over here. Entered this candle, entered that candle, exited this candle right here. And let me go ahead and go to TradeOvate and show you that we actually made 3K. That this is not a joke. Go ahead and show you performance for today, which is February 18th. Press go. This may take a little bit. Give it some time. Give it some time. We will go to the breakdown in the meantime. All right, silver. So during Sunday/Monday, Monday was a president's holiday, was a bank holiday. So did not trade. Being disciplined, guys. Discipline, most important aspect of trading. We took out this low. But we failed to push below the low, which showed that price wants to manipulate and potentially reverse. So we took out this low, and now we were looking to target the high right up here. We go back a little bit. Let me see if it's ready first. Nope, not ready yet. Exit out of here and go back. Let's go back to the breakdown. If we scroll back a little bit, again, we're looking for this high to get taken out, this 4-hour high to get taken out. We're letting price do its thing right now. Drop down the lower time frame. On this lower time frame, we had a 2-minute imbalance right in here. 2-minute imbalance that I waited for price to tap into. So at this point, we're just being patient. We're waiting for price to go ahead and do its thing. The 1-minute time frame, there's a sweep of the low. You can tell there's a sweep because price popped right back into the range and broke structure to the upside. Now we're waiting for this order block entry. We entered right into the order block. We created a high. Right over here, we created a high, waiting for that high to get broken. Still hasn't gotten broken. Power of patience, guys. Boom. High got broken. We are in the trade at this point. And you may see, look how beautiful this trade was. You may see that this is a 1 to 1.8. I usually go for 1 to 3s, but I did risk a little more on this trade. And I thought that TopStep had the same consistency rule that they have for the combine, which is to pass, to get a challenge, to get funded. The same consistency rules that I thought they had for the combine, I thought they had it for the live accounts as well, or the funded accounts as well, which they do not. So I made 1,500 per account on this trade. I could have made about 2,500 to 3,000 per account. Yeah, it is what it is, though. It is what it is. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. Loaded. It is what it is. This trade ended up hitting my 1 to 3. So this is a 1.8 right here. 1 to 3 would have been up right here. Trade still playing out. You can see eventually it hits the 1 to 3 RR a couple minutes later. Boom. And price just continued to fly from the same entry that we entered into the trade. Price just continued to fly. But again, we only go for 1 to 3s. Trying to go for 1 to 8s, 1 to 10s. Even though this trade hit a 1 to 9, probably, it's not ideal. Not ideal. Regardless of what happens, 1 to 3 is my go-to, and that's what I'm going to continue to stick with for the foreseeable future. This trade, like I told you, stopped at a 1 to 1.9 about, and yeah, I did not know, like I said, that there's no consistency rules for the funded accounts. So I missed out on some money. It is what it is, like I said, though. But let me go ahead and back and show you that I actually made 1,500 per account. So this is just one account, and the other account, it made 1,500 as well because I copy trade on TradeOvate, everything that I take. So see, same symbol, which is silver. Boom. We placed 2 contracts on it and made 1,500 bucks after fees, $14.90, 56 cents. So beautiful trade. Beautiful execution, and yeah, way to come back from yesterday on US 30 or last week on US 30 and oil after losing 2 trades. So appreciate you guys watching this video, just updating you guys throughout the journey. Like I said, showing you guys the losses, the wins, the everything. I'm not just showing you guys the wins. You guys can go back and watch every single one of my videos. I've shown you ever since FTMO, ever since CFD prop firms were in play in the US at least. I've shown you guys the losses, everything. Showing you guys my payout with FTMO, showing you guys my losses with FTMO, so on and so forth. Because again, this channel is based on transparency and not some me trying to market or fake my lifestyle for you guys. So appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next video.